So by using linked list, I need to perform stack operations. Stack is nothing but from only one side we need to insert the element, from the deletion is also happened from the same side. So from the top elements itself, push is nothing but adding the element, pop is nothing but deleting elements. These two operations I am going to perform by using the linked list. So simply I am creating stack linked list dot c. First I need to include necessary libraries. stdio.h is nothing but standard input output, and for allocating the memory I required malloc and free of functions, these two available in stdlib.h. So now I need to create the main function. So I need to write this function as a continuous push pop operations. That's why I am writing a simple switch case which will continuously ask up to exit. So regarding this, first of all I am creating my choice menu. So I am creating a variable of choice. So it will store the any number. So I am writing a do while choice will not equal to -1. So if it is a -1, the while will terminate, otherwise up to that the program will run continuously. Okay. So first of all, once I entered to the do while, I need to take the value of choice value. So receiving the choice value, I need to display the choices because user need to enter choice. So that's why I am displaying printf. For decoration purpose I am giving menu. Okay. So on printf, and it must be a new line, then only it will look like a menu style /n. So if is 1, if the user pressed 1, the push operation need to perform. If user pressed 2, then pop operation need to perform. Printf the user pressed -1, exit from the code. This is the menu I need to display. These are all simple printf statements only. For better looking purpose we are giving these things. So this menu will be displayed. So after this menu I need to ask the choice question. I am asking the user enter your choice, enter your choice. So the user will enter the choice, I need to read it. So scanf %d comma choice, sorry ampersand choice. So the choice contains the user entered value. Okay. If what the user entered I am forwarding to the switch choice. So I am writing the switch case. If the case 1 means user entered 1, I will execute push operation. For push operation I required some value, that is why printf /n enter value to push stack. So I am simply displaying this menu. If case 1 scanf, I need to take some value from the keyboard. So ampersand VAL I am giving. So but this variable I did not declare. I need to declare here VAL. It is also integer. Now I store the value in val variable. Now I need to call the push operation. So I am forwarding push to val variable, and I need to run break. Actually this push is a function I did not define up to right now, so I need to define it. So void push of int value. So it is my push function. I need to define it. Just I declared. And case 2. So case 2, simply it will pop from the top. So if once we performed, it will delete the element. So simply I need to call the pop off. That's all. Pop off is also a function. Up to now I did not define and declared. So I need to declare this break. So if it is, I am writing only push and pop. Other than numbers, any number, it will break. Okay, I did not defining anything. Only for 1 and 2. If they enter -1, I will exit from the program. So my another function is pop int. Sorry, there is no arguments are required here. So this is my simple functionality. Okay, so but I need to perform these operations using linked list. So that's why first I need to create my struct node beginning. So it contains a data and it contains self-referencing next node, next pointer, struct node star next variable. Now I need to create the head node. Struct node, so head node. So it is the stack operation pointer. And to display the stack value, total stack information, I need to write void display of. So it will simply display. So I am giving another option here, printf /n. If the user typed 3, then display. So means I need to write another case. The case should be 3. So whenever the user called the 3, I need to call the display function break. Okay. So now I need to write implementation for all these operations. So I need to write first one push. So void push up. I will give some value here. Value, so beginning and ending. So all these things need to happen from the beginning itself, only from one side. It is just like a push, means top of the node. Push and pop should be happen from the first top node itself. So for pushing this, first I need to create a new node, struct node star new node. This is my new node. I need to convert the type to struct node type and allocate the memory malloc of the size will be struct node type size of struct node star. So this line will create the memory for the new node. So once it is created, and I require a temporary pointer struct node star ptr. So then ptr will contains the head node address, ptr equal to head node. Now I need to simply assign new node data is equal to what is the value they given, they are passing to function value. So I need to assign this, and new node will point the what the head node is pointing. So that's why new node next is equal to, so head node address is also contained in ptr. I am assigning to it, and from now onwards the head node will point this new node because it is inserting in the top. Head equal to new underscore node. So this is a simple push operation I written. Next I need to write the second operation is display. So I want to write the display operation, it need to display all the elements. Void display of, so display means traverse all the data nodes in the given linked list. So simply I required a temporary pointer struct node star ptr. So ptr equal to head. Now ptr contains the address of the head node. I need to traverse by using the while loop, while ptr not equal to null. So end of the linked list, from the beginning to end it will display, but it is a stack like, means in one by one I need to display. So for this printf, I am simply for stack look and feel purpose I am using some hyphens. Actually it will display generally, but look and feel purpose I am giving. In between I am printing this printf. So every linked list node contains data part and address part. So that's why data part is representing %d and address part containing address, so %p. So %d represents ptr data and address is ptr next. So again I need to move to the next node, that's why I am using ptr is equal to ptr next. So this is the simple code. So instead, before writing the pop operation, once I want to check whether my code is functioning well or not, If anything, I will correct it. I need to compile stack linked list -o stack linked list. It's actually just wait. Defined pop-off function, uses the pop-off. Simply I need to define void pop-off empty. I did not writing any functionality here. Void pop to pop off. Okay, I am again compiling. Yes, it is compiled. Sorry, stack linked list. So it is displaying the menu. 1 is for push, 2 is for pop, 3 is for display. So first I am entering choice 1. It need to ask the data as enter value to push stack 23. Again the menu is displayed. Again I am entering another value 34. So again it is displayed. So I want to display the stack values 3. So simply it is displayed. One is 34 and another one is 23. So if I entered another value, push operation, I am entering 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it should be top. It should be top 3 displaying. So it is the top. If I entered another operation, so 6, 6, double 6 should be in the top position. So I need to display, I need to enter 3 for display. So 6, 6 is the top. So I am adding elements from the top. Now I need to write the function, I need to exit. -1 if I entered, I will exit from the code. So now I need to write pop operation, means I need to delete the first node. So for this I need to take struct stru struct node. I require a temporary pointer star ptr. So and ptr is equal to head. So here the head is pointing first data node and the first data node pointing the next data node. Here I need to write the head need to point head address should be ptr next and free of ptr. ptr should be released. Now head is pointing ptr next. Head is pointing first data node and ptr is also pointing now first data node. ptr next is nothing but it is address of next data node. So now head is pointing ptr next is nothing but next data node and ptr is freed. So I am trying to run this. I am going to compile. I need to run it. So first I need to push off the operation. So I need to enter 23. I am entering 3, only 23 is there. Again I need to push another value 34. I need to display. So 34 and 23 is there. If I run pop operation 2, I need to display again. Now only 23 is there. So top element should be removed. So again if I run the top operation, means pop operation 3 display, nothing is there. If I try to run the pop operation, segment fault, means there is no elements in the stack. When this pop should happen, the head contains anything, then only it need to happen. That is why I need to put a condition here. These things should be happen if head not equal to null. So, head not equal to null, then only these operations need to perform. Yes. Now I am compiling, I am going to execute. 1 I am pushing, 23 I am pushing, I am pushing again another element 45, I am displaying, 2 elements are there, I am using to pop. Now display, only one element is there. Again I am using pop, display, no elements are there. If I executed 2, so error is not given. So like this I can perform push and pop operations. But here every time all the menu items is going to display here. For this I want to clear the screen, only one menu is need to show the screen. So regarding this I am adding a small code. It is nothing but CLR SCR is available in Windows, but in Linux there is no code like this. CLR SCR. So I am defining code for this. I am writing the code for CLR SCR. CLR SCR. So only one line code I need to write for the CLR SCR. So in Linux I am printing so it is the /033 and it need to from H and /033 I need to write J. So this code can be clear the screen. So when I need to run the clear the screen, when the pop is running, CLR SCR off, and I need to run pop operation. Once I run the pop operation, I need to display the content. When I want to, okay, when I perform the push operation, then also I am calling the CLR SCR, and after push also I need to call display. Just I am calling the functions again without displaying manually, that's all. So I am trying this, I need to compile. Okay, first of all, okay, it is displaying, so means I need to call this for before displaying this menu also I need to call SCR. Okay, I need to compile, I need to run. So screen is cleared. First I need to push 1. So push operation 34, okay, and clear the screen, and 3, oh, in the 3 itself it is clearing the screen. 3 means display operation is not calling. When I need to press the display, recompiling, checking. First operation, push operation, 23. Yes, the top it's shown the value. Again push operation, 45. So 2 elements shown. Again push operation, 56. It's shown the 3 elements at the top. Again I need to pop. So only 2 elements. Again I need to pop, only 2 elements. So again one element, actually I need to pop. So push 45. So automatically it is calling the display function, that's all. Other nothing I am doing here. (56) push operation, 67 push operation, 89. So elements. If I use pop to popping and displaying, again to pop and display, again to pop and display, again to pop and display, no elements. If I want to exit, minus. So manually you no need to call display. Okay, this is the code I written for simply push pop by using linked list. So try this, and you can also do changes. And the same linked list code can be written in several ways by using single pointer, double pointer, and several ways I can write. So thank you.